Welcome to Auto Source of Albuquerque. Thank you for your interest in this vehicle. If for some reason this is not a perfect match for you, our nationwide vehicle locator service can help you find exactly what you need. Presenting a pre-owned 2010 GMC Sierra 3500. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 157,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes and power steering. Here at Auto Source of Albuquerque, we have a wide range of financial options. From our guaranteed credit approval program to national network of banks offering the lowest rates around, we will help you get your best deal possible.